So a snowstorm is, I think, currently in effect, and we're gonna see. Oh, these footprints, Dad. If you go down like there a little bit, like over there, it's starting to snow back again. But like, this is. Oh, see, look at this. That puddle.
This one is going to become hard ice in about an hour.
This is crazy. Incredible snow. Dad's car is no more.
My car is no more.
Nope. Come take a look at it. Y'all, this is big chunks of snow. Oh. Mom, your car is... Huh? Hi, Mommy. Hi.
Okay.
Is she on FaceTime?
No, I'm just recording the video. I'm about to shoot.
Oh, hey.
Langston, look up. Say hello.
Hi, Mom.
Are you guys enjoying yourself?
Yes. I really thought it was... Ow. You know what? I'm going to come out with these guys. Watch out. I'm going to miss. Come to the back of me. Huh? Snowman? Dad? Oh, you got some.
See, that's perfect, yeah. That's how we're going to do it for the snowman.
What do you think of music? Cosmo. Ah! Ouch! Ow! Dad!
Sorry, you alright?
Don't do that! Ow! You hit me in the... Don't even. Ow! You put the snowball. Ow! Dad. Chunks of snow. Scare me. Scare me. Ah! You got my iPad. Y'all, ice prints here in Mableton. Look at that. Incredible. Oh, look at this. Dad, what are you doing? Wait, what are we gonna name him? No, Frosty's evil. Alright, I'm gonna set the camera up. It's literally snowing. Alright, it's not gonna be a really big snowman, is it?